Welcome, in front of me is a Doro 8035, and today I will show you how to boot the device into the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key to power off the device, so right at the top. Select power off and wait for the device to shut off. Now when the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. So power, volume up, and hold it around until you see the Pokeball logo, which we have right here, and let go now. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you will use volume keys to navigate, volume down to go down and up to go up, like so, as you can see. And touchscreen doesn't work, as you can see right now. And as you also can see, you can reboot the device from here, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe your device, wipe cache, and a couple other things like mounting system, viewing recovery logs, run graphic tests, and just power off the device. Now whatever you have selected to perform this, apart from having it selected, you then have to confirm it with the power key. So as an example, I'm just gonna select reboot system now to boot back up into the Android and basically leave this mode. And once it's selected, press power key, and you can see that it turns off and powers back on into the Android. So just give it a moment for it to boot back up. And there we go. So we're back in the Android. Just put in the code. So that is how you would access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.